In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove blank rows between cells. We'll be working in Microsoft Excel, and this is a really useful cleanup skill to know. Blank rows can make a worksheet harder to read, sort, filter, and analyze. If your data has empty rows scattered between entries, your list can look broken up and disorganized. The good news is that Excel gives you a fast way to remove those blank rows and bring everything back together neatly. To show how this works, imagine a simple table with products and sales amounts. For example, you might have one row for a laptop with sales of 1,200, then a blank row, then a mouse with 450, another blank row, then a keyboard with 650, and a monitor with 900. The goal is to remove all of those empty rows so the data sits together in one clean list. The recommended method is to use Go to Special because it lets you identify all blank cells in the selected range at once. Start by opening Excel and selecting the data range you want to clean. Be careful to highlight only the area that contains your data set, because that helps Excel target the correct blanks. Once your range is selected, press Ctrl and G on your keyboard. This opens the Go To window. In that window, click Special. A new dialog box will appear with several options for selecting certain types of cells. Choose blanks, then click OK. Excel will now highlight the blank cells within the range you selected. At this point, do not click anywhere else, or you may lose the selection. Instead, press Ctrl and the minus key. This opens the Delete dialog box. From the available options, choose Entire Row and then click OK. Excel will immediately remove the blank rows and shift the remaining data upward automatically. That means your list becomes compact and much easier to work with, without you having to delete each empty row manually. This method is especially helpful when you're working with larger spreadsheets, because it saves time and reduces the chance of missing hidden gaps in your data. Just remember that the results depend on selecting the correct range before you begin. And that's all it takes to remove blank rows between cells in Excel. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a quick and reliable part of cleaning up any worksheet.